Hello everyone. Today I'm going to start the second part of Python programming language. For starting Python, at first I will start the Anaconda. There is the Anaconda interface, and from here I will click to launch Spider because I will have my program or script in Spider. Okay, I have already opened my Spider. Here is my Spider. That is the basic interface I have already shown you in the previous tutorial. Okay, today I will discuss about the strings. What is strings? String is a group of character that will cover in under of double apostrophe. Okay, uh, just assume that the A is equals to my name. Okay, just say Sarwar Jony. Okay, my name is Sarwar Jony. Okay, that is covered under A. A is here variable and strings is Sarwar Jony. Okay, if I provide a print print A, here A, then my output will be shows that's my name. Okay, that is strings, and strings has cover under double apostrophe. Okay, and if now I say that's the B, okay, here B is equals to 20. Now this is integer. Okay, B is equals to 20. 20 is an integer. If I want to get it in string, I have to cover it under double quotation. Okay, like 20. Here I have already write, and I'm providing this, and right now it will be strings. Okay, now I want to say that the both will be show in my program. Okay, to show my program, if I say this in 20, right now it is integer. If I say that's the print A plus B, okay, or like A plus B, it will not print. Okay, because this is type is string and this is type, and this is types the this is type is strings and this is type integer. Both are different types, and as a result it will not result. Okay, if I show you that the results, here it's showing the type error because I have having mistakes in type, because one is integer and another is strings. Okay, now if I want to get is solution, I have to just cover it under double quotation, because this is the integer, and when I will cover it under double quotation, it will be a string. Okay, if now I just at first I want to backslash it, and if now if I run it, that will cover that Sarwar Jony and then 20. Okay, because I haven't any space here. If I provide a space here, then that will be an space after 20. Okay, here now I want to get that 20 will be print in the separate line. Okay, if I want to get this line in separate line, I have to use break line. Okay, to break line I have to use the backslash n. Okay, if I want to get the separate line, I have to write this in one line, and that's don't have to use any space. We can use also space, but it will have some, you can say, some types of correction. Okay, now I have write this my name, and then I want to write that I am 20 years old. Okay, like I am 20 years old. If now I print this, it will not cover because I haven't command it as print. Okay, now I have to write it in if I show you that's the A, then what it print out, like say just this is in one line. Okay, this will not work. If I want to work with that, I have to cover it under print function. Okay, print print A. Okay, now if I show you that the program run this here, Sarwar Jony in upper line, and then I have used the backslash n for line break. Okay, after that I have write I am 20 years old or 21 years old. Okay, for that it have cover in separate line. Okay, like I am 20 years old, this has written in separate line. Here this is the for line break. Okay, now if I cover another things, that's the string like x is covered by x is a variable. Okay, and it cover. Now if I like that's the x is a variable, and here I want to show that I want to write that today is our victory day. Okay, because today I am recording in 16 December. Okay, today is our victory day. Victory day. Okay, now this has covered in x, and if I write that's the in y, that's this is our this is our 54th independent victory day. Okay, now this is two word. Okay, two strings into variable. If I write just x plus y, it will cover in same line. Just write this in here, the run. This there is no space here. Okay, but it have written in same line. Okay, if I want to get an space among between them, or like I have to provide a space here, then if I paint it, or if I run this code, that will be an space. Okay, or I can have an separate issue also. I can solve this in separate way also, like here x plus, then I have to cover the double quotation. Okay, then provide an space, then again double quotation, then plus. Okay, if I write this, that the plus, then double quotation and space. If I here giving several times of space, it will having a several time of space also here. Okay, just run this, and here this is a one space. Okay, if I want to get the several times of space, like here I have 4 spaces here. Okay, then I run this, like here is a 4 space here. Okay, this is the strings, and typing is this is the strings painting. Okay, now I will write in for the uppercase, lowercase. Okay, like here I have already written x is equals to victory, or this is the sentence case. Okay, if I write this in uppercase, lowercase, I have to write x. I want to write x, all of the x in uppercase. Okay, x is equals to x dot upper. Okay, I have to write upper, then bracket close. Okay, and y is equals to y dot lower. Here these all strings will be in uppercase, and this all will in lowercase. Okay, right, like right now if I want to run this program, this is saying what I have said, but if I want to get the output from here, I have to write that x plus y. Okay, if I write this, then if I run this program, here this is uppercase and this is lowercase. There is no spaces here because I won't use the double quotation space or space here. Okay, if I use an space here, it will have an space here also. Okay, just cover this. This is uppercase and this is lowercase. Okay, and right now if I want to show you that's two types here. I have show you that's the two types. If I want to get it, there is also another several strategy to fix a problem. Here I have used plus, and that's why I have to write this in strings. Okay, if I have this in integer like 20, okay, now this is an integer and I am deleting this print. If I cover this, it will not work, right? Direct can connect integer. I have to write this in integer. I can fix it after using comma. Okay, if I use this comma, then which types of integer or string or float, that will not define, but using comma that can be fixed. Like if I run this program here Sarwar Jony, and I have used an backslash here, that's why this backslash and also having there, and after that this is my old, and it's after using comma, this is 20. Okay, and this is the main thing. Okay, and I can fix this like using comma. Okay, and I have shows there's the several types of strings and working with them, and lowercase, uppercase, and another use like str1. okay, this is an variable, like I am writing here, this is our or your, then space, this is my strings 1, this is a variable, then another is str2. okay, this is another, and here I am writing 54. okay, then str3, this is another is variable, and I am writing under ts victory day in our history. okay, victory day in our history. okay, if I work in several types, like this is strings, this is integer, and this is strings, it will not work. Like if I want to print that str1 plus str2 plus str3, okay, it will not work because this is integer and there is a variety between the types. okay, here type error, I have to fix the type error. If I want to fix it, I have to I can work it as a typecasting. That's I have to write this is an string, I have to write this before, and I can also fix this after using the double quotation 54, like 54 here, and if I cover this and run this, this is work. okay, and I can also fix, if I want to fix this using, I have to use comma. okay, and here is also I have to use comma. If I run this, here there is giving comma between this. okay, if I want to if I don't want this commas, I have to write it under print function. okay, like this is the print function. okay, and if now I run this script, here there is no comma in our code. okay, now if I want to use the arithmetical sum calculation like area of circle. okay, now if I want to use the area of circle, okay, I have to area of circle, here I will use this as comment. okay, this is the comment, and now I am writing, if I want to use the area of circle, here a is our variable, Okay, A is area or A area, and there is a formula for having area. That's I have to write the pi and into I have to write pi d square, pi r square. Okay, I is the radius of a circle. Okay, and for r square, for square I have to write separate times of r. Okay, this is our formula. That's the area is equals to pi into radius square. Okay, then I have to define what is our the value of pi and what is the value of radius. Okay, like if I want to provide the values like pi is equals to 3.1416. this is a variable, and I have to define the r is equals to like 5 centimeter or 5 centimeter. Okay, like here after getting the both variables, then the here there was a question mark, like if I just miss this, there is a cross mark. That means I haven't already declared the value of r. Okay, then I have to declare the r, and like r is equals to I am saying that's 5 centimeter or 5 unit. And now if I want to get the area, this is the area, and here is my formula. If I want to like run this will not work because I haven't defined what I want to get. Like area, I want to get the area, and here I haven't defined. That's why it will not work. Like I have to define that, give me the area. Okay, then when I have declared this is I need area, then it will work. Okay, like if I want that, this is the area. Okay, 3.1416 into 5 square, that's means 25 into 3.1416, that will work in 87.45. okay, that is the arithmetical calculation. If we get the area of circle, then we can use various types of areas like square or trapezium or another rectangle. Okay, and trigonal. I can use various types of areas. Okay, we can use these are the how much float number I want to get. For getting the float number, I have to write this in like I have to write the area of like print, then the area of the circle is. Okay, then I have to use here second bracket and clone dot, and how much digit I want to get here. How much digit here is 2, I want to get 5. Okay, like I am writing dot 5. Okay, and here I have to close the second bracket. Okay, then sorry, I have mistakes in here. I have to write f. Okay, for float number, and right now I am run this. I'm sorry, I have to write this here, that the format. Okay, because I have used a format and first bracket, that's under first bracket I have to cover what I want to get. I want to get the area. Okay, this is my variable and this is the variable. Now if I run this program, it will work. Maybe yes, here is the 2 digit and 3 is 0. That means I can get the several types of zeros or several number of float number after point. For using that, I have to write here 5. If I write here 55, then what it will be. Let's see. Just I am running this code, and here there is a 55 digit after point. Okay, and this is the work of format. Okay, that was all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you all.